Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to enable Find My Device in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and here you will see security and privacy. Tap on it and go to lost device protection. And here you will see there are two options, Find My Mobile and Theft Protection. Tap on Find My Mobile and from here tap on Offline Finding and then tap on Turn On. So if your mobile is lost and in case it is not connected with Wi-Fi, you will still receive your mobile location and it will be easy to find. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.